นี่คือน้องเหมียวที่อยู่หน้าวัดแห่งหนึ่งนะครับนางมีลูก3 ตัว This is a cat, a female cat. She lives at the opposite of a temple in Samut Prakan province, Thailand. She's got 3 kittens. She's so cute. เธอน่ารักมากนะฮะ Whenever she sees me, she will come to me and cuddle. And I always give her food, but today somebody already given, so I will give her a little bit. Today I didn't see her kitten at all. Maybe her kitten is sleeping. วันนี้ไม่เจอลูกเลยนะฮะน่าจะหลับอยู่ส่วนในนี้ก็เหมือนจะมีแมวอยู่ข้างใต้เป็นแมวตัวใหญ่เมื่อวานเห็นมีขาโผล่ออกมานี่รับเล็บเลยฮะรับเล็บ Maybe she likes my shoes so much that she scratched at it. Look at it, she's so cute. I wish she has a better life. Oh, but pets are not allowed in my apartment, so I cannot take her home. I wish I had a big house so that I could take her home with her kitten. Look at it, she is so cute.